We're on deck 5 where you can see the ocean and run on the track. So we're gonna go for a little walk on the track because we just had breakfast, and we'll check it out. So we're going to Jamie's Italian for lunch. You excited? And it's located in Central Park, so let's go into Central Park. Now, because the weather was so nice, we decided to sit outside, and this is on the Central Park deck, so you got lots of beautiful scenery. It was amazing weather because it's open air from the top. And the one thing I really liked about Jamie's Italian was the menu was almost the same as you would get for the dinner menu, obviously minus a few things, but if you just wanted to try it out, it was a good option. It was only about $25 a person for the lunch menu, so absolutely perfect, not too expensive. And let me tell you, the quality of the food was amazing. This was the garlicky prawns, delicious. I should have ordered 2. This was their house cheesy bread, and this was the squid. I also got the meat platter for 1, which was a lot. So I can only imagine meat platter for 2. My wife got the salmon. She also got the pomodoro with some fresh mozzarella. I got the bolognese. And for the pastas, you can actually get an individual serving, so which was pretty cool. And then the last thing we got was the GI burger, which was delicious. Everything was on point. So this is our room. It is a room with a view and actual balcony. So let's take a look. This is the view of the rooms right now.
Hi.
Rico. And let me show you what the bathroom looks like. It's a shower. It's actually a really good size because I'm 6'6" and I fit in this easily. So there you go. For tall people watching the video. Yeah, pull this up. And you have a nice little mirror. Nice flat screen TV, king size bed. Lots of cupboard space. Put all your clothes. Space enough for us. Enough space for a playpen. That is our couch, and this is the baby setup with all the baby stuff. And then this is our view. So if you can get a room with a cabin, it's definitely worth it. I like the balcony, it's big enough. The room is actually really good. And this pulls out to a sofa bed, just like this. I'm not gonna put it all the way, but that will pull it into a sofa bed. And lots of room for extra stuff, including dessert. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this content. It's what's in the pot, on the sea, or what's in the ocean, whatever you want to call it.